All right, what in the world is going on with the crypto market? Bitcoin right now is experiencing this nasty dump. And in this video, I'm going to take a look what is going on with the Bitcoin, what is going on with Ethereum. So the quick market update for my Telegram community and for my whale room. Of course, we're experiencing this nasty dump, as you already see. Actually, in my opinion, it is like nothing terrible because look at those previous dumps. Look at these previous dumps, those drawdown switches. In my opinion, this is healthy. And yeah, 1 hour time frame. On the left side, you can see the 4 hour time frame. So let me just make this window more wider. Let's just jump on the 4 hour time frame. Let's just make this range of the Bitcoin in the middle. All right, so there's the good news and the bad news. So I'm going to talk about bad news right now. Bad news are that our bearish scenario is playing out. We saw that stupid deviation, as we see here, and we talked about this. What if we experiencing the same situation? We saw that detour, a quick detour on the Bitcoin, went back inside this range and started consolidate inside this range between 100 and let's just say 102k and 91 and $90,000. Two most psychological levels, $90,000 and $100,000, because those are the round numbers, and those are the round numbers are always the psychological ones. When people are seeing that the Bitcoin is like below 100,000, they'll start to disbelieve in everything, and you know the story. You know how everything works. I'm explaining it like multiple times right now. So the bad news are that we are went back inside this range between 100, 102k and 90, 91k. So this is like a bear scenario is playing out right now. We shifted from the from the bullish into the bearish market structure, and we are forming this. Let's just call it a descending trend. I'm just gonna make for you to watch, for you to see everything clearly in the middle. And the good news are, first of all, bad news are, yeah, I saw that there's a lot of YouTubers and a lot of trading experts are saying that there's some kind of manipulation type of thing. So I haven't take a look at it. So what do you think? What is going on in the crypto? Are we like experiencing some bad news, or there's some kind of market manipulation? So comment down below. As always, super interested in your opinion. And of course, the Donald Trump inauguration after that, and the market sentiments, everything is bullish, so we have to go straight to the upside. But in my opinion, this is not how the market works. Every single time we have to experiencing those drawdowns. This is healthy to shake off the market and to destroy the people with the weak hands and take their money to accumulate more crypto. And yeah, like the same situation as on every single cycle. When the market is pumping, everyone is an expert. When everything is dumping, the market is dumping, everyone is leaving the market, and the strong hands, the big players, whales, are accumulating more and more crypto. So that is pretty much it. And yeah, we're the bearish scenario. The bad news are that we got back inside this range. So the next dirty target points would be, first of all, look at this candle. Look at this accumulated candle. We're experiencing the face-off, and we're encountering that demand zone. So I do believe that the demand zone will hold, and we're gonna see maybe a small bounce back up. Of course, I'm gonna take a look on the Fibonacci's where our juicy supply zones are, and maybe we can get rejected once again and get straight to the bottom of this channel. $90,000. Let's just see $92,000. As long as at any levels this demand zone, or let's just see our local support, will hold us. So this is my bearish scenario, which is bad news for all the crypto enthusiasts and the diamond hand holders. Everyone wants to see the market pumping. No one wants to see those dumps. But the good news are that I'm getting more and more confirmation from my descending trend lines, for those descending trends, sorry for that, where I'm always waiting for a clean breakout. As we're experiencing here, look at this situation, the previous one. Every single time, and if you remember back in the summer when we were navigating inside that descending channel, when we are experiencing those breakouts or breakdowns through those descending and ascending trend lines, and of course I even made a video about those trend lines, everything work perfectly, and the trend lines in the crypto market, Bitcoin, especially Ethereum, the respect is there, and the trend line trading strategy works. So yeah, sorry for that, for those who likes to trade on more, let's just see, ICT, smart money concept, or type of thing, those like the cocky guys who are saying that no, this is like a childish trading strategy and you should start doing trend lines work. So trend lines work. Look at this, experiencing clear breakout, rally to the upside. upside. So I'm getting more and more confidence and more confirmation that this descending trend line is working, and we're getting, of course, we're getting rejected. So I'm getting more and more information, the more and more data that I have to wait for that clean breakout, and I can navigate myself based on those trend lines. The one thing that I see as well, where's my another trend line? I see that descending support. I'm just going to delete those drawings. Descending support that holds and perfectly connected with this demand zone. So my assumptions and my expectations are, looking on the 4-hour time frame, only on the 4-hour time frame, that Bitcoin will experiencing that, let's just say, drawdown or whatever, until we're gonna break that first trend line. Then we're gonna retest the second one, and then we're gonna break to the upside and gonna start exploring new all-time high territories. Probably I'm just trying to navigate based on those trend lines right now. And yeah, but the pullbacks are healthy, and if we're gonna experiencing that nasty drawdown till $92,000 Bitcoin, it would be also a healthy thing. So let me just calculate from the top to the bottom. It would be like negative 16% drawdown, which is also a healthy. Of course, the crypto altcoin market is right now, and especially Ethereum, experiencing a bigger drawdown, a nasty crash, more dirtier than the Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, based on those trend lines, I see that descending support. And I mean, I need more confirmation at the top, so that is why I'm waiting for the bounce back up and a rejection. So that would be a nice confirmation for me that I can navigate based on the sharper trend line. On the sharper trend line, as we saw here, I didn't took a trade on this trend line, I mean, because it was a little bit sharper, but I do see that the Bitcoin, after those sharp movements at the downside, respect those trend lines as well, and we can start building our buy long position and wait for that clean breakout. So that is why I'm looking right now. So this is like a good news for me. I wanted to wait for some kind of dump, because when we are exploring new all-time high territories, or we are in space where we're not sure where to open our buy long position, I'm waiting for those dumps, because we have more and more information at the bottom where we can start building a buy long position once again. We have more information at the bottom, not at the top. At the top is just like space. New all-time high territories. We don't know where the market could go from here, but at what price levels we can starting bounce back up, we can identify this, and we can start analyzing this based on the data that we have at the bottom. So that is why I'm saying that the good news are, and I'm seeing right now that the Bitcoin is trying to bounce back up. Yeah, for example, by using Fibonacci levels, I'm just going to try to use, not that accurate, but based on the Fibonacci levels, the golden zone would be, if this is our potential top or swing low and swing high from this drop, 100 and 101, let's just say K Bitcoin is our one of the, let's just say, supply zones where we can get rejected, looking on the short-term perspective on the 4-hour time frame, or if you're looking on a 2 or on the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, again, bad news are that we went back inside this range. We're right now bearish, but I don't mind. I mentioned you in my previous video that I don't mind that we're gonna start consolidating inside this horizontal channel that we are navigating, where the price could go next from based on this model. So I wouldn't be surprised, and if we're gonna experience that nasty drawdown, once again, those are my 2 target points. And the good news are that we're getting more and more confirmation, as we see here, as we saw here, multiple confirmations on those trend lines, at what levels we should keep our eyes on, and where we can start building our buy long position once again, because I refuse to short. For those who shorted the market, congratulations, but I'm not gonna short it, despite the fact that I missed. I just woke up and I saw just market crashing, so I didn't anticipate that. So maybe here after consolidation, maybe there I could like open a short sell position, but nah, this is just not me. I'm bullish. I'm bullish, so I cannot bet against the market where I'm bullish. Of course, yeah, the swing trading, this and that. Yeah, it is possible to navigate based on 2 positions, shorting and selling. But I want to open only buy long positions right now. And of course, talking about Ethereum, so you get my point of view on the Bitcoin. I believe you get it. If you have some questions, you can always comment down below. I will definitely gonna answer them. And looking on Ethereum, let me just take a look. Yeah, yep, Ethereum. My buy long position got destroyed. I got stopped out. And right now we're trying to bounce back up from this demand zone. I do believe we can experiencing that bounce, and maybe we can get rejected, because between what is like at the target point between let's just say 3.3, 3.4k and 2.8k. This is my sweet gap that I always talked about, that I'm aiming on a daily time frame. We have this premium zone where I'm looking forward to buy some more ETH. Of course, I bought a little bit more ETH right now, so if we're gonna bounce back up and we're not gonna experiencing that 2.8k target point, and we're gonna start rallying up to the upside, breakouts, clean breakouts through those descending channels, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna use my cash for something else. And actually, yeah, so this is my last target point where I'm gonna buy more Ethereum. And yeah, we're bouncing back up, and my buy long position got destroyed. I'm not gonna open right now a buy long position. I have plenty of setups that I posted on my whale room on altcoins. So because yeah, Ethereum right now is experiencing this encountering this support right now, so we can expect the bounce back up. Technically, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. So this is the place where the price was respected the most, and this is definitely our support. So for those who want to start building their buy long positions, that is with a nice risk reward ratio, with we're setting up your stop loss tight, you can start building your buy long position. So this is like decent levels where you can start opening your buy long position. But we need to get back inside this. The mid range has the respect, and I would be more bullish if we're gonna see something like that. The lower highs, the demand zone on the lower time frame, on the 2 and the 1 hour time frame, based on the supply and demand, and then we can start going towards the upside and retest the top of this descending channel. So these are my thoughts on Ethereum. Ethereum is bouncing back up from its local support, and by finishing this video talking about Bitcoin, descending support, descending resistance, and we're forming a potential falling wedge pattern because we have multiple confirmations, 1, 2, 3 touch points. At the top we have like a 4 or 5 touch points, and I'm getting more confident if the price is gonna go even lower, but it's gonna respect that falling wedge pattern. I'm okay with that. I'm getting more and more confident that this falling wedge pattern is valid, and I can start building my buy long position once again. So that is pretty much it. Nothing great, nothing terrible in the crypto market. I mean, those pullbacks are inevitable. Those pullbacks are the healthy movements in the market. This is how the market works, and stop panicking. Of course, for those who invested in meme coins, I saw that the meme coins are just like bleeding right now, and there's like, what is going on in the market in general. Yeah, my blue chips are like getting destroyed, GPUs like negative 20%, and we reach my final, if you remember from my whale room, we reach my final buy spot target point. Yeah, Toncoin, Notcoin is getting destroyed, of course, negative 10%, which is healthy in those altcoins because they're super volatile. JTO, yeah, AVAX are bleeding as well, and those meme coins that from the exchange that I like to trade, look at those drawdowns, almost a negative 20% on some of them. And yeah, MPC are still in the green. Yeah, everything is in the red. But I do believe that we're gonna get bounced back up, and we're gonna rise back up again, because in my opinion, bull rally is not over. We're not quite there yet, and I do believe that a lot of those altcoins, and especially Ethereum, has to show their full potential. So that is pretty much it. Nothing new. Keep an eye on those trend lines. Keep an eye on those trend lines that has a multiple touch points. And yeah, trend lines works, believe me, guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Ethereum, buying more, accumulating more. Bitcoin, not that nasty crash. When everyone is posting that, for example, 5-minute time frame, yeah, it looks dirty. It looks dirty as hell, but we're bouncing back up. Higher lows for, oh my god, on the 5-minute time frame, which is not my favorite time frame, we can start seeing that movement to the upside. So again, for those who like to trade on the lower time frames, those are the good levels for you to start building your buy long position with the solid risk reward ratio. So yeah, keep use your stop losses, don't be greedy, always secure your gains, and this is my advice for you. But again, nothing in general in this channel is not financial advice. So yeah, keep an eye on those setups. These are the setups that I'm looking at right now, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.